Good morning students, have a nice day. I am your maths teacher. Today we see the chapter algebra on the topic of quadratic equations. What is a quadratic equation? The definition is an expression of degree n in x variable x is a0 into x power n plus a1 into xn minus 1 plus a2 into xn minus 2 plus etc plus a n minus 1 into x plus an when a not equal to 0 and a1, a2, a3 etc an are called coefficients of the expression. So இதுதான் இந்த quadratic equation உடைய general form. In particular, an expression of degree 2 is called a quadratic expression which is expressed as p of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Here a not equal to 0 and a comma b comma c are real numbers. In the general formula, in particular degree 2 நம்ம சப்மிட் பண்ணும்போது அதில் நம்ம கிடைக்கக்கூடிய quadratic equation is p of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c, a not equal to 0 and a comma b comma c are real numbers. இதுதான் ஒரு quadratic equation. Note, let p of x be a polynomial. X equal to a is called 0 of p of x if p of a equal to 0. p of a இங்கிற வேல்யூ 0 இருந்தால் x equal to a is called 0 of p of x. Number 2, root of quadratic equations are x equal to minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a and minus b minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. இந்த quadratic equation அதனுடைய ரூட்ஸ் இதெல்லாம்னா இந்த minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a and minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So degree 2 அப்படிங்கனால இங்கே degree 2 அப்படிங்கனால we have two roots. For example, 3.23, find the 0 of the polynomial, 0 of the quadratic expression x square plus 8x plus 12. Let p of x equal to x square plus 8x plus 12. This constant term 12 can be written as 2, 6 or 12. 2, 6 or 12. When we multiply these 2 and 6 we get 12, and when we add 2 and 6 we get 8, the middle term 8. Then the quadratic equation can be written in the product of x plus 2 into x plus 6. Product of two polynomials, x plus 2 into x plus 6. The roots are, if x plus 2 equal to 0 then x equal to minus 2. So substitute p of minus 2. இங்கே plus 2 இருந்தால் இங்கே minus 2 substitute பண்ணோம். p of minus 2 equal to minus 2 square plus 8 into minus 2 plus 12. Minus 2 square equal to 4. 8 2s are here minus, so 8 into minus 2 minus 16 and plus 12. Add these numbers, 4 plus 2, 4 plus 12, 16, minus 16 we get 0. So p of minus 2 equal to 0. Then next, here p of x plus 6. So put p of minus 6, change the sign, minus 6, minus 6 square plus 8 into minus 6 plus 12, minus 6 square equal to 36, minus, so 8 into minus 6 minus 48 plus 12. So 48 minus 48 equal to 0. So p of minus 6 equal to 0. Therefore, minus 2 and minus 6 are zeros of the polynomial p of x square plus 8x plus 12. The next one is formation of a quadratic equation. எப்படி ஒரு quadratic equation ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுறது? If alpha and beta are the roots of a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, the required equation is x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots equal to 0. That is x square minus sum of roots is nothing but alpha plus beta. We take the two roots, first one is alpha and second one is beta. Sum of roots equal to alpha plus x, alpha plus beta into x. Product is alpha into beta. So we have x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. This is the formation of equation. Suppose the roots given, we form the equation as x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. இப்படி அந்த ஈக்குவேஷன் ஃபார்ம் பண்ணணும். நோட், சம் ஆஃப் ரூட்ஸ் ஆல்ஃபா ப்ளஸ் பீட்டா ஈக்குவல் டு மைனஸ் பி பை ஏ, ப்ராடக்ட் ஆஃப் த ரூட்ஸ் ஆல்ஃபா பீட்டா ஈக்குவல் டு சி பை ஏ. அது கொடுக்கப்பட்ட அந்த டூ ரூட்ஸையும் ஃபஸ்ட்டு ரூட்டை ஆல்ஃபான்னு வச்சுக்கிட்டு ரெண்டாவது ரூட்டை பீட்டான்னு வச்சுக்கிட்டா சம் ஆஃப் ரூட்ஸ் ஆல்ஃபா ப்ளஸ் பீட்டா ஈக்குவல் டு மைனஸ் பி பை ஏ, ப்ராடக்ட் ஆஃப் த ரூட்ஸ் ஆல்ஃபா பீட்டா ஈக்குவல் டு சி பை ஏ. Example 3.24, find the quadratic equation for which sum and the product of x, product of the roots 9 and 14. So first root வந்து 9, ரெண்டாவது root வந்து 14. So அந்த ரெண்டு roots வச்சு now we form a equation. The given roots are alpha plus beta equal to 9 and alpha beta equal to 14. The required equation is the formula x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. Alpha plus beta, here we take 9, x square minus 9x plus alpha beta is 14, 14x equal to 0. So the required equation is x square minus 9x plus 14 equal to 0 for the roots 9 and 14. For the roots 9 and 14. Example, another example 3.25, find the sum and product of the roots of the equation 2x square plus 5x plus 7 equal to 0. We have a equation 2x square plus 5x plus 7 equal to 0. இந்த ஈக்குவேஷனுடைய sum and product கண்டுபிடிக்க போகிறோம். Solution, the given equation is 2x square plus 5x plus 7 equal to 0. The general form is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. The quadratic equation general form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here we are given 2x square plus 5x plus 7 equal to 0. So here a equal to 2, b equal to 5, c equal to 7. Sum of the roots alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, b is minus 5, a is 2, minus 5 by 2. Then alpha beta equal to c by a, c is 7 and a is 2, so 7 by 2. Alpha plus beta equal to minus 5 by 2, alpha beta equal to 7 by 2. For the equation 2x square plus 5x plus 7 equal to 0. The equation would be two roots minus 5 by 2 and 7 by 2. And go through it carefully. நல்லா ரிவைஸ் பண்ணுங்கள் 1 or 2 times. அப்புறம் you do the sum. Example 3.24 and example 3.25. இதோட நான் இந்த கிளாஸை க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். We will see in the next class. Thank you.